Hey Sean, so I just got the camera and my photos look a little off. Why do I look like an avatar in this photo? You do look like an avatar. You're so blue. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm asking. You know what? I think my camera's broken and I'm just gonna return it and just get a new one. Wait. No, you don't need to buy a new camera. You just need to adjust your white balance. My white, what? White balance. It's a setting on your camera to help you balance the colors so that white is actually white and not yellow or blue or any of those other funky colors. Okay, are you gonna show me how this works? Are you curious? Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Cause me, wait, I know what you're gonna say. Cause MisaCurious. Exactly. Roll the intro. You actually don't have an intro right now. All we have is a little glitch. It's kind of all we could afford. Plus, you actually don't really have enough subscribers for that. Oh. Okay, roll that then. Okay. Hi, my name is Sean Misa, and welcome to my channel, where I break down photography and videography to make it a little less scary. So, if this is what you're interested in, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you'll be updated when I upload new videos. So, what is white balance exactly? It's that WB button you see on some cameras. On your screen, you might see AWB, which stands for auto white balance. Or you might see different icons like a sun, a house with a triangle, clouds, or a light bulb. Each of these presets gives a general idea of the correct color or temperature of lighting. Like this? No, not like that. When I say temperature, I don't mean Fahrenheit or Celsius. I mean Kelvin, which is how the light color is measured. For example, daylight is typically around 5500 Kelvin. I say typically because it can vary with the time of the year, the location, and the amount of clouds in the sky. These presets, though, are very close, and sometimes, right on the nose. The nice thing about these presets is they are fairly self-explanatory. If it's cloudy outside, you'll want to use the cloud preset. If it's sunny outside, you'll want to switch to the sun preset. And for the house with a triangle, that's for when you're outside in the shade on a sunny day. For the light bulb icon, that is for the tungsten type lights. Those lights usually come off as a little warm or with a yellow-orangish tint. A lot of lights at home use these, or venues and museums and places like that. Sometimes, these presets don't exactly match the lighting around. That's where the custom white balance comes into play. The lower the number, like 3600, the yellower the light tends to be. The higher the number, like 8000, the bluer the lights are. Let's try this out. To my eyes, these lights look a little warm or have a yellow tint to them. You can really see that with the jar of sugar back there. I don't know about you, but my sugar is generally white. So what I'll do is bring my white balance down until it looks correct. And at 3600, now that looks like the sugar I use. Now I'm in my bathroom and my toilet paper looks a little off. Again, I like my toilet paper white. So this time I'll adjust it the other way until it looks white. And at 5600, this looks perfect. One of my favorite tools to help achieve that white balance is this. A white balance gray card. You can get this on Amazon for less than $10. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But this is super easy to use. If you're someplace where they might have mixed lighting or you have some of those cheaper lights, using the selective Kelvin might not be accurate enough. There could be a hint of magenta or green in the lights. With this, you just have to pop it open and go to the Set White Balance setting on your camera. So on each camera it's going to be different. You might want to go ahead and do a little research to find out how exactly to get there. But once you're there, you just have to go ahead and fill most of the screen with that great pop-up and press accept. And voila! And now everything should look correct, and white is white. Once you get it right in camera, that's less work you have to do in post when editing your photos or videos. In the next video, I'll be talking about the difference between RAW and JPEG and why you want to shoot in this format for all your photos. So be sure to like this video, subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can be notified when the next video comes out. By the way, I don't know if you've noticed, but I release a new video every Wednesday. So be sure to mark that on your calendar. Have a question you've been itching to ask? Send it through the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them. Okay, now go on, get out of here and take some photos and experiment with the different white balances and see how they affect your photos. Be sure to use the hashtag MisaCurious and I might feature one of your photos in a future video. What are you waiting for? Get out there and be curious.